It's that time again, kids. We've got the geese out the back there, look. Hard geese. You've got enough room there, mate. Woof woof. Right, we'll give you an update soon, kids. I'm excited. Hello. Hello. Hello, mate. How are you? Oh, he's a good boy. Can I go now? Can I go, please? Hello, guys. Anglo Celtic here. Sitting in the houseboard, and I've come up with an inexpensive life hack for that horrible wind noise for anybody who uses a smartphone when they're out beeping and uploading to YouTube. So if you make metal detecting videos with a smartphone and you ain't got loads of money to spend to cut that wind out, this is the video for you. Brought to you by the man who's always in the field, as you can see. All I want you to do is share this video if it helps you on your YouTube channels, so you can grow me into a multinational company, whatever. And also, don't laugh when you see the cheap tat that I make it from, because necessity is the mother of all invention, and it works. Anglo Celtic's life hack. Promise not to laugh, kids. All I can say is it does work. So you're out in the field, you're beeping away, and you have a look at your footage and it's all like this one. Instead, audio like this. I'm sure that'll make a difference. But you want it to be more like this one. Get audio like this on your detecting videos, even in the strong winds. Well, I've experimented with external mics, plug-in mics, you name it, and it's a very, very simple fix. The external mics for smartphones, you don't seem to do it. All you need is some earphones, a bit of sponge and an old glove. Told you not to laugh, kids. So what you're looking at, don't laugh at the colour, it was either them or pink, and I really needed a pair on the day. They were the only two colours left. You're looking at a normal pair of headphones, that's for my iPhone 5, that set. And there's a glove there, minus a few bits. All's done. You know, you wash your sponge that you wash your dishes with. Yeah, I told you it was cheap. Cut a bit of that out. Wrapped it round the pickup on your phone headphones where it picks your voice up. Wrap some sponge round it. Cut a finger out my gloves. Wrap that around the sponge, as you can see, and then there's two rubber bands, and that's it. And this is why I don't want you to laugh. But when you actually listen to my footage on the last few videos and the two example clips that I'll put in, all I did on one of them was unplugged them headphones, and you hear but on the previous bit just before that, there's nothing wrong with it. So this life hack works, and I'd like you to share it on your channels so you can help me get a few views. Alright, kids? It's not just how you make it, even though anybody can make this. It's how you actually wear it and use it out in the field. What I do, I'm hanging these around my neck just so I can show you the level at where this hangs. I put that inside my jumper. It sits there inside my jumper. The wire just comes out into the end of my phone. When I'm not filming, the mic just sits there in my jumper. My phone's on the inside pocket of my vest. When I do any filming, all I do is I whip out my phone, keep my earphones plugged in, keep them under my jumper. And between the phone and my jumper, the wind's gone. So share this on your channels if you use a smartphone and this helps you. Alright guys, get audio like this on your detecting videos, even in the strong winds. Instead, audio like this. I'm sure that'll make a difference. One thing I forgot to mention, kids, here at Anglo Celtic Metal Detecting, we don't waste a thing. So, let me introduce you to my hater's glove. Happy days, kids. Stand off with the geese this morning, they're proper like attack dogs. I've just opened the gate because Steve wouldn't get out the car, he's driving my car here. Proper attack dogs, these geese. Oh, the peck of my car, look. Get off it. Get off it, you nutters.
Get subscribed to Anglo Celtic.
No, you missed the best bit.
What's that?
You've got to get your cake on.
Got to get your cake on.
Get your cake on.
Get your silver cake on.
Oh!